Welcome woodpeckers! I'm Martin Jensen and today I'll be showing you the new Norwegian winter 2020. Usually it is 50 centimeters snow and -degrees Celsius, but right now it feels more like spring and but it's still a bit cold. So I'd like to welcome you into my cozy cabin. Here I have laid out some scrap wood I will use to make an awesome and inspirational YouTube sign for my channel. And I am amazed it has not been done on YouTube yet, so yippee-ki-yay! So first I started out with printing out the letters I wanted, and I cut my finger. Simple act of outlining the letters so you know where to cut. This is what it's gonna look like. YouTube! And here I'm measuring up the length for the back plates to hold the two wooden pieces together. This is actually a former laminate flooring board. that is done. Now, I know what you're thinking. It does not look that awesome. But just you wait and see when I slap that paint on it and it goes pop, pop, pop. So stick around and be surprised. Alright, so I had a driftwood wood stainer and I wanted it darker because I still want to see the wood. So I had some black paint and I mixed just a tiny bit of it with the driftwood wood stainer, and it will be interesting to see how it turns out. Okay guys, guess who forgot to turn the microphone on for the last take, which was just perfect? That was me. Well, so while I was nailing it, and you didn't get to see that, I used this nailing gun. Pang, 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 it went. And now we got a sign which looks like this. And I am very happy about it. As you can see, some of the nails will just show their end. Just dip that little paintbrush of yours in the right color and add that to the nails and you won't even see them. Okay, if you think this sign is worth $1, click like and subscribe. And this is the first YouTube sign made on YouTube in wood. See you soon, guys. Now wait a second, I bought this cheesy string light on eBay for, I don't know, $3 a while back, 10 meters, and it's this USB light. So I'm gonna wrap it around the YouTube sign and we'll see how cheap that looks. Just talk you through this real quickly. Back here I used a wood stainer with some this was driftwood wood stainer with some black paint in it. You could use a darker wood stainer also to get the same color. Here I used a white color because I really wanted the U to be seen. I used some black on the sides of it because I wanted it to have like a shadow effect. And the tube, this is called, I think it's called traffic red, at least in Norway it's something like that. And I just wanted the whole thing because when I painted it I saw that, oh, if the whole thing just get this traffic red, then it's gonna look so round and nice that you just want to eat it. And for the last part I used this cheesy lights. And after I've been looking at it for a while, I don't think it looks that cheesy really. I think it looks quite good. So I'm very happy about this. And this cost me $5 in paint more or less. And the wood I had lying around. Let me know what you think in the comment field below. Adios.